my dear children, hope you all are fine. In last class we mentioned about some food which we should eat. And today we are going to learn about some food and food habits which we should avoid because both these can make us unhealthy. And also certain types of diseases also caused by both of them. So we have to learn more about them. Okay? Let's go through the chapter.
Food and health. Because of unbalanced diet and wrong eating habits, some people get overnutrients and some people didn't get enough nutrients for their body. This all causes bad health. These people facing health problems such as malnutrition and obesity. Malnutrition occurs in two forms, that is overnutrition and undernutrition. Malnutrition. Malnutrition is a condition in which the body does not get the right amount of nutrients. It occurs in two forms, that is undernutrition and overnutrition. Undernutrition. This condition is arising by lack of proper nutrition caused by not having enough food or not eating food containing essential nutrients. Then overnutrition. It is the form of malnutrition that happens when a person takes in more nutrients than he needs every day. As a result, such a person may become overweight. Children, in last class we mentioned about some food which we should eat, right? Now we are talking about some food which we should avoid because it makes us unhealthy, such as junk food. What is junk food? The food that may be enjoyable to eat but bad for our health is called junk food. Why the junk food is unhealthy? This junk food is rich in sugar and fats, but very little in proteins, vitamins and minerals. Eating a lot of fatty and sugar foods causes deposition of extra fat in the body. This makes a person overweight. So, junk food is unhealthy. Okay? The condition of being overweight due to extra fat in the body is called obesity. Obesity in children affects their growth and development. It also causes many health problems. So to avoid obesity, we should avoid junk food. We should have a balanced low-fat diet and exercise regularly. In last class we learned that our body needs carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals to function properly. The lack of any of these nutrients affects our body health and lead to diseases. A disease caused by the lack of one or more nutrients in the body called deficiency disease. Then here's some common deficiency diseases caused due to the deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Night blindness caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B. Scurvy by vitamin C. Rickets by vitamin D. Anemia by iron. Goiter, iodine. Bone and tooth decay by calcium. Kwashiorkor by proteins, marasmus by proteins and carbohydrates. These are some food which contains vitamins and minerals. Children, now we know which food we should eat and which food we should avoid. Okay? And do you believe that the healthy food and healthy habit alone keep us healthy? No. We should follow some other things also. That is exercise and rest. Exercise. Why we need exercise? Exercise helps us have a strong and healthy body. Exercise helps develop the muscles. Exercise makes our muscles flexible and strong. Exercise makes bones and joints stronger. Exercise strengthens the nervous system by supplying more blood to the brain. And exercise helps in repairing the damaged body parts. How? How it possible? When we exercise, more blood is pumped throughout the body. Thus, more oxygen reaches different parts of the body. This helps in repairing the damaged body parts. Then the next one is posture. The position in which we hold our body while sitting, standing, walking and lying down is called posture. Proper standing posture, proper sitting posture, proper sleeping posture. A correct posture decreases stress on the backbones. This keeps our backbone strong. A correct posture keeps our bones and joints in the right position so that muscles used properly. A correct posture prevents backache and muscle pain. And the next one is enough rest. Sleep gives our body the rest it needs. We need about 8 hours of sleep every day for good health. After the rest, we feel fresh and energetic. Why? What is the reason for that? When we rest, our muscles relax and our breathing and heartbeat slow down. This gives our body time to grow and repair its damaged parts. That's why we feel fresh and energetic if we get enough rest. Children, now I am concluding this lesson, okay? Here's the summary. Malnutrition. It is the condition in which the body does not get the right amount of nutrients. It occurs in two forms, undernutrition and overnutrition. The condition of being overweight due to extra fat in the body is called obesity. A disease caused by the lack of one or more nutrients in the body called deficiency disease. We must eat a balanced diet, exercise, maintain correct posture and get enough rest to stay healthy. The position in which we hold our body while sitting, standing, walking and lying down is called posture.
Children, I hope you all enjoyed today's class. So please stay tuned for the upcoming lessons. Okay? Thank you.